Guys, I have the best thing in the world. Like, it's like a life-changing tip. Do you want to know what it is? It is how to boil water faster. Like, how many times have you just like wait around like 10 minutes for just the water to boil? Like, how boring is that? I mean, like, even watching paint drying is like way more interesting. So how do you do that? Like, how do you make water boil faster instead of like putting the lid on and pressure and whatnot? You know, all that physicsy stuff. This isn't physics class, but you want to know what it is? It is using hot tap water. Like, so many people just use the cold water. Well, why would you do that? It's such a waste. It's like, you know, it's just gonna take so much longer. Just turn the other tap thing and it's just gonna save so much time. Some people are like, oh, warm water is like gross. Why? It comes from the same tap. I mean, if you use that stuff a lot, like enough, it's not gonna like get old or whatever in like the pipes and whatnot. So just use the hot water. Otherwise, just let it like run for another like 10 seconds, you know? This is just gonna save so much time. Isn't that just great?